So, guess what I have here with me next to my awesome machine? This is Canon Pixma 3770, and I'll tell you exactly why this is one of the good printers. Number one, it's affordable, right? I got it for 13,300, and which is a really good price for the results that it's promising. So let's unbox it. I think that's what we need to do now. This is an inkjet printer, and it comes with the CMYK inks, and we just need to fill it up, put the cartridge or the printer head, and we'll have it. This has Wi-Fi, so we don't have to work with any wires and whatnot. Okay, so let's go. I'm excited. So over here we have the printer. We have these 135 ml. Okay, these bottles. Didn't talk about the setup as much as I wanted it to. We are gonna go to there, and let's see. They remove all the orange tape and then turn on the printer. Connecting to smartphone. This one. So next, use the software to easily connect your printer to the computer. The same software can be used for printing, scanning. I don't know what to say about these stupid instructions, but we're gonna leave this aside, everything apart. So we have 4 bottles. We have the power cord, and we also have the USB cord, and these are the printer heads. Okay, I'm a little bit nervous of taking them out. How do I do it? Oh, it's asking me to rip it off, which I'm not gonna do. What if I have to return it? What if I am not gonna rip it off? So we're gonna take out, this is the black, and this is the white. See nicely. Hey, Pixma. That's what it's called. Pixma. Okay, the first thing that it was asking us to do was to remove all of these orange tape. And that's how you should know that your printer is new, probably. From what I have known about this printer. Okay. This is where the magic happens. And this is where we put the black ink. This one goes here. D is for cyan. So this one. Then we have yellow, and then we have magenta. CMYK. And then we also have to put the printer heads in there. Start setup. Okay, allow, I guess. I'm gonna turn it on. Just gonna go by what the software is saying. Okay. Honey, go down. Okay, so this was another good feature of this printer, that doesn't bang and it goes down smoothly. Let's start. Where do we start? Switch it on. Okay. Does your printer have the following button? Does your printer have the following button? It may be displayed the home panel. Let me see. Yes, it has it. But how do I? Okay, I'm gonna set up that thing is going on another direction, and this one wants me to, after installing printhead, close the cover. So it has to be on while we do it. Okay, well, we're gonna go with C and C. Okay, and let's do nothing. All right, it has 3. Let me open this up. What's it gonna do? What's it gonna do? Okay, our black one goes here. It's also 4 inks are done. The next step is we need to press this button here, CD button, and it opens up. You see? And over here we need to pull the printer heads. So B1 goes here, C goes here. So let's put the B1 first. And I love these kind of packaging. These. Okay. Pull. This is black. And this one also, I gotta pull. So pull. Okay. Pulling. And this one also pull. Easy. All right, let's. Okay, this just fit easily. The next one again. Let's do the same. Okay. Then we pull it. And we pull this one very lightly, gently, and we push that into, and then don't know what to do, like that. Yeah, okay, so we did that. And now after installing, close the cover. Okay, my sir, my lord, printer lord, there we go. The cover has been closed. Okay, so it's saying it needs 6 minutes to adjust. It's too tiny. Let me show you back. It says it's done cutting. I mean, performing it, whatever it was performing. So we're ready to test it out. Do you want to test it out with me? Okay, let's go. First, I'm gonna link my laptop because it's been asking me to do it, and then I'll continue and print something nice. Okay, the first thing that I want to do is basically get it to Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi setup and easy Wi-Fi connect. Okay, let's do that. Connect to computer. Yes. Okay, it says yes. Next. 1, 2, 3. Press the button. And following the button for setup will continue to detect and will take time. Shutdown will take. Alright, it's ready to connect. Look at that. This is where I started to feel a lot of trouble connecting my computer with the printer. Now looking back at it, I know that it's a firewall problem. So you need to go into your settings, disable firewall, install your program, and then enable firewall. Also, you can also go to settings, add a printer, and allow it to share. I think when you have these 2 settings on, that's when the printer is going to link nicely and it's going to ask you to test print. Believe me, I spent more than 40 minutes on this, and I hope you don't have to. So just follow that. Okay, I really don't know what's going on with the computer because both of these screens say two different things. This one is asking me to test print, but this one is not. So let's do test print. This is gonna be our test card. Look at that. Let's hope, let's hope, let's hope. Let's hope, let's hope, let's hope. You're now able to print from your computer. Okay. Let's go. All right. So the reason why this took a while and 2 times for me to do. So I want to tell you why this wasn't working was we go to our settings, okay? Close this. Go to our settings, and then over here when we say firewall, okay? Okay, I'm gonna let you be the judge, all right? So this is what I'm printing. Do you see the purple, like the baby pastel kind of purple? These are 2 sticker sheets. All right, this one is Monday, Tuesday, and a lot of like flower. And I mean, look at the colors, right? It looks like good premium colors. And then look at these. Look at the exact baby purple that's printed here. My god, it's like I put some washi tape over here as well. And this week for planners. Oh. Now we're towards the end of the video. This is how we did our setup. We got our test print out, and while my mic was charging, I took the liberty of printing out some stickers. And they're awesome. Honestly, I have no better things to say, but if you're looking for a good printer at a valuable range, then go for this one. It's really good. I've guided you on how to save up 500 bucks and not call the serviceman at your home and do all the troubleshooting yourself. Um, yeah, if you have any questions, any doubts, do let me know. I will be posting a lot of more projects on my Instagram and over here on YouTube, especially this how to make these sticker sheets is coming up next. This is what I printed out from outside. It costed me, 2 of these costed me 100 bucks. And this is why I wanted to buy my own printer, which I did, and I'm not regretting even a little bit, honestly, guys. So if you're on the verge of buying a printer, this is the best one. Don't think about it. It goes well with your Cricut. They both interact really nicely, and once you get attached to your computer, everything is just smooth. So don't wait. I do have my Amazon associated link in the description below. So I would love it if you buy from that link. It would give me a little bit of pocket money. But you know what? No pressure. If you find it good on any other site, Flipkart, whatever, go ahead. But get this printer. That's all I'm going to say. All right. So this was for me. Thank you so much for watching. And I really did enjoy making this video. And I'll see you in the next one. Hope you have a wonderful year. All right. I'll see you.